Back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at the NASDAQ 100 from a technical and order flow perspective. Now, starting here on the monthly time frame, we can see how we had this clear impulse, and after the impulse we obviously expect a correction before the continuation. Now, taking off Fibonacci from the low to the high, we can see how the market is testing the 0.50 Fibonacci, which is a 50% retracement of this level that we have here. One thing to keep in mind is the market is also currently testing a previous level of support that was once the resistance. So there's a good possibility for the market from this level to go and continue higher. Now, dropping down on the weekly time frame, what can we see? Now, what we can see over here is we can see how the market is now testing a very strong structural level from a weekly perspective. And what do I mean by that? So we can see how in the market this is acted as a level of resistance. The market broke that level of resistance, it then became support, and we can see how this support is now getting broken again, and once that support gets broken it then become resistance. So dropping down on the daily time frame, what can we see here? Now we can see over here how the market has just completed this information. Now after the information you expect a pullback to the neckline, so at that information you expect a pullback to the neckline before the market can continue lower. And we can see also here the market is testing a very strong level of support. Now, taking our Fibonacci from the high to the low, because we would like to measure this direction over here. So we would like to measure the pullback before the continuation. So we can see how the 0.382, which is the first Fibonacci level, which also tells us that if the market had to hit and reject that level, it would tell us that the downward momentum would be quite strong. We can see how the 0.382 is lining up perfectly with this structure that we had over here. Now all of the support got broken, and once support gets broken it then becomes resistance. Not only it being resistance, but also be a retest of the 0.382 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse, and also the retest of the information neckline. Now looking at the COT data, so what the big banks, hedge funds and non-commercials are doing in the market, we can see here based off the last report how hedge funds added 4.3k longs and closed 3.3k shorts. Now once again we can see that they are adding long positions, so there is a big possibility for the NASDAQ this week to continue higher first. So we can most likely expect the NASDAQ to continue high first based on all the buy positions, and then after that continuing lower, not only for the market to complete the information at the neckline, but also for the market to complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the downside as well. Now if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also if you are new here you can smash that subscribe button, and also let me know what it is that you would like for me to cover in the next video, and also share the video with everyone else that you like. Once we get to 1,000 subs, I will be dropping one of my strategies as a video as well. Thank you so much for the support this far, guys. I really appreciate it, and you have yourself a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day further.